Hey guys, in today's video we're going to talk about day trading, the strategy that I'm using to day trade, and how I continue to make a profit and continue to do the cycle every single day. So this is my first trade when I started back in March. Traded Plug Power with $7.50. So after that, I start seeing a cycle in the stock market, a pattern, and I continue to using the same pattern to make a profit. Some days is good days. I made over $50-$60 in less than 10 minutes, and some days I lose $10 or $15. So the stock market is a risk, guys. So when you're trying to day trade, be very careful when trying to trade, because you could lose a lot of money. With full disclosure, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and own due diligence. But this is the cycle that always worked for me. So I get up at 4 o'clock every morning and look at SNBC News to see what new stock they're talking about, to see if it's going to be a high volatility stock. So I could set a limit buy. I joined some Facebook Discord group talking about stocks. I go through the comments to see what type of stocks and which stock have the most traction. I watch YouTube tutorial to see what they're talking about, what stock they consider buying. I go through the comments and then I use those analysis to place my trade for the next day. So when the pre-market, I place a buy order, and then right when the market open, I sell out of my order like 9:45. So the market have a particular trend that I'm seeing and I'm using day after day and continue to making profit. Is that pre-market, you will see everybody run up the price in certain particular stocks. So you want to get the right stock to invest in. And then right at 9:45, you see a sell-off. And by the time 10 to 10:05, you see a buyback. And 10:45 to 11 o'clock, you see a next sell-off. So I use between those particular time to do my trades, guys. And it's continued to work for me every single day. Like I'm currently up $13.91. I'm gonna wait till it goes back up to $15 and I'm gonna sell out of this trade. And that's the cycle I do every single day, guys. And no matter what, if I get over $10 profit, I lock it in and then use the profit to invest in my long-term portfolio. So I'm gonna sell out. So that's how I do it every single day, guys. So I just locked in my profit of $15 right here, and I'm continue to grow well, guys. So I use when I do my trades, I use that money to invest it in my long-term portfolio. So and I put $200 every 2 weeks to help the portfolio grow. Right now the portfolio is currently at $91,000 right here. Hopefully by this weekend I could hit $100,000 in 1 year, and I'll continue to try to hit $100,000 a year, guy, or more. Depends on how the market is performing. If I see a next dip in the stock market, is better because I'll get more opportunity to buy up more stocks and continue doing the cycle. So Webull wouldn't let me do more than 1 day trade because of the $50,000 cash balance you need. So what I do, I said before the market closed, I buy up into some stocks, set a stop loss for the next day, and then pre-market, I buy into a different stock so I could do 2 trade a day, and I continue that cycle. And for instance, like Neo guys, when you see the stock market run up in price, you're always gonna see a pullback. So don't ever see a pullback. The next strategy that I use is to sell short. So if I see Neo run up to $60 today, I know for a fact it's gonna get a pullback. So I will borrow some. I wouldn't advise you to do that, guys. It's very risky and very dangerous if you don't have the money. But since that I have the money, I borrow some money, stocks from the broker and sell it short. So if I bought Neo for $60 or $50, in 2 to 3 days you're gonna see Neo with a pullback, and then I bought back in a lower and make a profit, maybe $4,000, $3,000 profit, and I use that cycle and continue to buy into my long-term portfolio. So that's the cycles that I use, guys. What might work for me mightn't work for you. So please do your own research and own due diligence when investing in the stock market. And I don't have to worry about entry points and all the trends and all the technical analysis. I just use those 3 steps and I continue to see my portfolio grow. So if you like the contents that I'm putting out, guys, please hit that like button, hit the notification bell for any future updates, leave a comment in the comment section, and join me on my financial journey to independence, guys.